Here goes nothing. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you guys another episode of Redo Blue. And yes, it has been some time since you've probably heard the title of that video. But as you can see, we have Blue 2 valve behind me here, kind of still taken apart, but that's going to be changing within the next couple days because my main priority and my main focus is getting this car to 100%. And I think the last time we really filmed with it was when we switched the intercooler setup from a recirculating to a blow-through setup. You obviously know we went ahead and got the new blow-off valve. We are running the Tile Q 50mm. I'll be able to show you guys more of that with the CX Racing kit and whatnot with the Vortec V3 SI head unit. But today, from the title and thumbnail of this video, you can clearly tell we are going to be jumping back into the Redo Blue series. And it's very nostalgic for me to say that because that's really what got this channel up and going, was the Redo Blue series. I know all my NewEdge guys out there absolutely loved it. And I want to say we got to like episode 51 or 52 before I ended up selling the car to get Blucifer. Big mistake, but it worked out in the end because you could tell. Sitting right here. So Blue 2 valve, straight chilling. And then we actually have Tyler's, this Mopar guy over here. We have Mr. Mach Uno right here. 2003. Black Mach 1. How long have you had this car for, man?
11 years. This was my first real car. Got it, it was nice, but I was 17, 18, so I dogged the fuck out of it. We got an ultimate project car here.
I know, man, and I was just about to tell the squad, guys, if you want Tyler to put a little bit of money into this thing, just to freshen her up, you have to like this video. How many likes and you'll honestly consider it?
I like 2.
2,000?
Let's run you up 2. We need to give him 2. We need to give him 2. There's a bunch of things that need to be done. He's got my key, so I can't get in there.
Support Mach Uno. Support Blue 2 valve. Like this video. I actually have some goodies over here that I just received from our boys over at LMR. We got some boxes right here, and we have another box that we're not gonna quite touch on today. It's back there. I don't know if you can really see that. It's gonna be the next episode of Redo Blue. But let's go ahead and unbox what we have to install today, because this was kind of exciting, and this one's gonna be, you know, setting that match, setting that first initial flame and spark again to get this car rocking and rolling. So let's unbox it. First box, let's see what we got here. One of these things that we are gonna be taking care of today, many of you have been begging me since we bought the car, since we saw the car in Pennsylvania before we brought it home. And I think I almost cut my tip off. Anyway. God, dude, what's this so sharp in here? This thing's fucking, ow! LMR, what the hell, man? This is like floss. Okay, yeah, this is, whoops, kind of ruined the other video. Box number 2, we got that thingamabob.
Oh, hello.
And today, here we go. You guys are not ready for this one, okay? You're not ready. Time to get rid of the socket shifter, baby. Let's go! I went ahead and grabbed just a good old-fashioned, beautiful, wow, dude, feel the quality on that, Tyler. Feel that. That's nice, right? Okay, you don't have to rub my knob like that. Good old-fashioned SVE all-leather shift knob. Just get rid of that freaking, that ratchet shifter. Literally, it's a ratchet. Get it? Like, ratchet, like, okay. This piece is super important to me for many reasons. And reason number 1 being, I had no idea they actually sold this. And many of you throughout the years have seen that this car is lacking this exact piece right here, and it looks like crap. I did some digging. Sure shit, LMR carried it this whole time. I had no idea. So we're gonna be installing this as well today. I'm honestly more excited about this than anything else here.
Gotta keep that Addy out.
Yeah, keep that Addy out, boy. But you can also send stuff to the P.O. box. That's another Addy, right? They send some pretty cool stuff in there. And our final piece that we're going to be unboxing today, there's one of it. There's the second one. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be a rear seat delete. The reason why I want to go and do a rear seat delete Is it because I'm turning this car into a full-blown drag car? No, it's not the case. It's just those rear seats, I don't know if you've ever taken them out of your car or ever held them. I want to say they're like 70 pounds. I'm not even joking. From some of the previous episodes, oh boy, we got a lot of work to do. There's a lot to do. This is why I'm so excited, because this car would never look like this back in the day. Like, got this crash foam. Here's one piece of the flotation device if you ever launch your Mustang off a cliff into the bay or something. This would actually save your life, no joke. Look at that, that's good quality foam right there. We don't need it. And as you can see, this is like the full metal frame part I'm talking about. And there is some weight to this, man. They're in great condition. If anybody wants them, come pick them up, 20 bucks. I don't want them. We definitely have some things to get in line, but it's honestly not that bad. We get the rear seat delete in. I have to run some of the trim. I hope I have it. Oh yeah, okay, it's all right here. When I was taking the bags off the car, we had to pretty much disassemble the whole interior because we had all the lines and stuff running through it. So we're gonna get everything back in order with Bluetooth valves interior today. Drop a thumbs up on this video, guys. We're making it happen. So I got the car cleaned out for the most part. The front, got all that junk out of there. Got all the parts out the rear and the trunk. A little before action. Looking a little crusty right now. There's one piece of it. Dude, this carpet's like really, really black. I don't think it's gonna match that well. I'll tell you what, I think I paid 240 bucks for this. I was expecting it to be like more of a different quality, I guess. We're just gonna throw this in, just get a little test fit. So we're gonna be utilizing these two holes right here. So we're gonna go and pierce the carpet. And I actually found some push tabs that I'm gonna use that should work actually rather well. And these are the little like Christmas tree push tabs I found. So now I'm gonna go and feed them through our holes that we made. Now that we have our push pins in, we're gonna take the flooring, but you just wanna line it up and push down. There's one. Do this other side.
Does it just connect by Velcro?
It just connects by Velcro. There's the second one. There it is.
Looks good.
Little rear seat delete action. That actually looks pretty damn good, huh? Very simple, and that's why it's super lightweight. That looks good though.
Looks very good.
Hell yeah. Put the seat back. Let's get a kind of a better look. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna go and work on getting all these plastic trims back in line. And I guess we'll move on to the trunk plastic trims as well. So our first plastic trim going back on. All right, there's number one. Now let's go get the other side. That is the beautiful things about these NewEdges. It's just so simple and so cheap. Dude, this is crazy. I don't think I could ever go back, like sell my car and go back to like a NewEdge for good. I really don't think I could. Just beat it. Beat it. There's our second piece of trim. I'm gonna check out this trunk real quick. I don't know what I want to do because everything's kind of loose back here. She gone.
Sure you can find a new.
Spare tire? Hell no, brother. She gone.
She's gone.
That almost backfired. Pull it. We're gonna rip all this out. You don't have black spray paint on you, do you? Actually, looks a lot better. I'll vacuum it all out, clean it, and just paint it black.
I must admit, you look pretty good standing in front of a Mach 1.
Yeah, you won't sell it to me, you prick. So in order to lay this new weathering strip, we actually have to take off the old metal from the last one. So it's kind of a pain. We're about halfway there. As you can see, metal right there, and he's trying to chip away right there. So it's got to get all that done, and then this should go on pretty smoothly. Yes, sir. So we removed all the old weather stripping. We just put this new one on. There it is. Looks so much better. Now we don't have that crazy like silver gap anymore. Next step, let's get that shifter frickin' off this thing, man. I truly don't know what this is all about. It's definitely socket. So I gotta find something that's gonna fit in there. It's gone!
You got an extra tool now.
Bro, you have no idea how good that felt. the subscribers, ever since I bought the car, they saw this just chilling on the shifter, and they were like, "Please, for the love of God, Derek, take it off."
Hey, this isn't bad, just like that. You can just...
We're good, but we're gonna actually take this whole thing out. Pretty much, I want to figure out. Oh, we got a different shifter in here. I don't know why this bolt isn't out. Like, this is so rigged. Look at this one's coming out by hand. Let me see if I can figure out a way to get this boot to stay on here. I might try to re-glue it. I know it's not meant to be glued. It's like clips, but I managed to get the rubber boot to stay on. It's a backyard build, baby. I'm gonna share all my secrets with you. If yours is coming off, just duct tape it, bro. It's gonna work. It is what it is. Backyard build. Tuck that in like so. Oh, we're in business, Tyler. Where's that shit?
This is it, dude. This is it.
Oh! Looks good. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out with the little amount of work we just did. Totally transformed it. One step down. Next step is getting the exterior all together, tune, and whatnot, and this bad boy will be back on the road. But take a look real quick. We got that old shifter taken care of. Got the boot placed on there. New shift knob, nice and comfortable, man. And that honestly feels good. Like this leather feels really good. Check out the rear seat delete, looking minty. I'm gonna shop vac the trunk to get all the dirt and whatnot, and I am gonna spray paint it black just to kind of clean it up a little bit because the blue looks kind of tacky. Remember the good old days, guys? In Blue 2 valve filming? Man, we sure hit the come up, didn't we? Ooh, it looks so good. Sit in this bad boy, man. So much different than what we just started with.
It's literally, like, I mean, we got a car, YouTube. It's clean. Blue 2 valve is 85% done.
Almost there, man.
Almost there. It's this close, YouTube.
What I plan on doing next to the interior is just completely vacuuming it, cleaning it all up, detailing it, and it's really come together. Like within a day, you guys saw it. Here's a little before clip. Oh boy, we got a lot of work to do. There's a lot to do. And now after, it's all put back together. Just needs a good old cleaning, and I'm very stoked with how this turned out. It just looks so much better. I want to know what you guys think. Drop a like on this video, drop a comment. Are you stoked? My NewEdge fans out there, Blue 2 valve is going to be back very shortly. That I promise you. But this brings back the old memories, man, the old days, the old DVP, and it's a blessing to have this car back. It truly is. So we're gonna take care of it. We're gonna have some fun with it, and overall, I'm just gonna drive it because that's what it's meant to do. Just be driven. I think he's booting up old Mach Uno.
Oh, shit's tighter than a short pop hooker.
No shot, you just said that. Taking stuff to the dump. That's why you can't see them. One last thing I'm gonna go ahead and knock out are these new license plate bulbs and housings. As you can see, these are all busted up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace those. And you know, as far as today's progress, got a lot done and it's looking good. So here are the old busted up license plate bulbs and surroundings. And we got the new ones installed with LED bulbs. And these little things make a huge difference. So you've seen the rear seat delete. You've seen the new shifter with our nice little fix on the shifter boot. We put the new LED bulbs and housings in for the license plate. We went ahead and corrected all the interior trim, made sure that was all good to go, and off camera, I'm gonna go and clean the full interior as well. And you also saw the rear window / trunk lid weather strip install. Those little things we did today, guys, really transformed the inside. The outside looks better, and it's just another step closer to getting this thing fully ready. I mentioned earlier the battery is dead. I had the battery charger on the charge for a while, so I guess we can go ahead and wrap up this video by trying to give her a nice little start. We have the battery charger on the battery. Try to give this thing a little crank. Here goes nothing. We in business, baby. It's still currently on the bass tune, but we're gonna let it warm up for a little bit. Probably drive it around the block really fast and wrap up this video. Oh my God.
Yes, it does. One more look for YouTube. First drive in at least a month for Blue 2 valve. How was it?
What do you think? You want to take it on the road? Should we?
That's up to you.
I probably shouldn't. It's on a super rough day. Yeah,
that's fine. Don't worry about it then. What is that? At least a month since the first pull off of it?
Roughly. Does it sound pretty good?
Yeah.
Like the whole.
Yeah. It's loud.
Wrap this episode up. Guys, that is gonna go ahead and conclude today's episode of Redo Blue. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up on this video. If we hit 2,000 likes, I'll keep making these episodes, throwback Redo Blues, and we'll get this thing rocking and rolling, man. We'll make this thing into a beast. So do your boy the favor, drop a comment and drop a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. We have a ton of content coming, not only on this car, but Lucifer, so you don't want to miss out. Have a blessed week, and we will catch you tomorrow. But until next time, we'll see you later.